Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and consider liking this video. Also, before I begin, check out my ECS and Amazon affiliate link down below. Now today I have a very cool video on the E46 and we will be installing M door sills that I'll show you guys in a second on my BMW E46. Now some of you guys might say, hey Evan, you don't have a ZHP or you don't have a M Sport BMW. Well, that will all be changing soon, so stay tuned to the channel to find more about that. But I did just pick up these M door sills. They actually came from Europe. Shout out to my good friend Wilson, who gets all my parts for me from Europe. He was able to track down the M door sills, not the M3 ones. So they just say M logos like the M Sport or the ZHP car would have. So they look super cool. My door sills are really just janky and they're just beat up. So we're gonna pull them off. It's super easy to pull them off. They literally just held in with clips, so we just pry up on it. And then we're gonna clean the area obviously, and we're gonna put some coating down, probably 303 coating just to protect them and keep the plastic nice and fresh. I think we're also gonna do my door sills. The door sills on this car probably need to be treated, especially with the frameless design and winter coming up. I want to treat my door sills with Sonic's rubber refresher, I think it's called. I don't know, I'll show you what I have. I forget the exact name of it, but it's good to run on your door sills, especially with a car that has frameless doors like my E46 coupe. So you guys wanted the E46 content, I have a video for you guys today. Unfortunately, some of the other stuff that I am waiting for is still coming in from Europe and stuff like that, but I have another retrofit that I will be doing soon just to update you guys, and obviously a very, very big surprise coming to my E46 in the near future. So let me show you guys the M door sills and let's start ripping out the old ones. So here is a look at the new door sills. Obviously I got ones for coupe. So we are gonna pull this one off and put this one in. These ones look super nice, exact fit. Super nice. I think it's gonna look awesome. These are in fact used. These are very expensive new. You can buy them new, or you could even go M3 ones, but I don't have an M3, so why am I gonna put those on? So let's start by pulling this off. I think it just pries up. It looks like there's these clips, 1 2 3 4 5, so there's 5 clips on the bottom. This one actually they pulled it out of the body of the car, but hopefully all mine are intact because I did not order new ones. And then we're gonna recoat the rubber and we're gonna also clean this. So let's try pulling this off now. Like everything with my car, it's freaking double-sided tape on. Everything in my car is just so messed up. That's not how it should be. There should be no double-sided tape right here. I'm gonna pull all this off now, but guys, you should not have double-sided tape. That's why this didn't want to come off, because some idiot put double-sided tape on the bottom of these and broke that clip. That one's fine, that one's fine. Most of them are fine. This one's a little broken. I do have 2 replacements, so I'll probably do that, but now I gotta scrape off all this double-sided tape and then clean it. It's now time to clean the crap out of this. This is incredibly dirty. After it's cleaned, it's super simple to just put it in. All we do is line up the tabs and push in. Just make sure you push them all in and voila, they're in. And wow, that looks so good. Really like the look of it. I think that really completes my car, especially the interior and the entryway. We're now going to clean it up a little more. I did clean it, but like I said, I want to clean it up just a little more and then coat it. So I'm using multi-purpose cleaner, and then I'm gonna hit it with 303 just to protect the plastic and the clear on it. I mean, obviously these are used, but I want to keep them as good as possible, and they look super nice. I think I gotta push that. There we go. Make sure you push in all the tabs because one of them was sitting up, and it's perfect now. Now we're just gonna hit it with some 303. I love this stuff. It's UV protective, and I'll have it linked down below, and it comes in a big bottle, which is really nice. right, so let's go protect the rubber. It's called Rubber Protectant by Sonics. I really like Sonic stuff. It is kind of pricey, but their stuff works great. So let's do that now to complete this job. One thing I have to say, the 303 protector really brings out this nice dark black color. So I really like using it. I'll have it linked down below if any of you guys want to buy it. But here's what I'm going to use to protect the rubber seal right here. It's called Sonic's Rubber Protector. I've really been liking Sonic stuff. Super good quality. It's made in Germany. It is kind of pricey, but the stuff works, and I can't say enough good things about it. So we got to shake the bottle and then run it around the seal. Okay, so this whole side is done. We treated it with 303 like I mentioned, and you guys saw, and then we did the Sonic's rubber protector around the whole seal. I really like this stuff. It does say to wipe away. I just let it dry, and I used this on my F10 and it worked great. So we're gonna do the other side. I'm gonna repeat this process on the other side. No point in showing you guys because you already saw it's the exact same, and then we'll close out the video. I will have all these products linked down below. I'll even see if I can find new ones of these for sale or used ones on eBay, and I'll link them in case first comes first serve, whoever wants to grab them up, because I think they look sick. They make the car look awesome, especially when you open the door. It definitely has a nice presence, and it's gonna fit in great with something I have coming along. Alright guys, so that looks like that is going to conclude today's video. Doing this super simple mod slash retrofit slash upgrade, whatever you want to call it, because it's technically BMW OEM parts that came on the M Sport model and on the ZHP, and I believe the Club Sport may have got these too. Correct me if I'm wrong, my followers in Europe, because I'm not too sure on what the Club Sport came with, but I know the ZHP and the M Sport cars came with it. Unfortunately, we did not get the M Sport car in the United States, so I'm basically converting my whole car to M Sport, as you guys will see in the future. But if you guys want to look for any of the products that I was using in today's video, I have them linked down below. I'll also try to link a pair of M Sport door sills for the coupe and sedan if I can find any used, and if I can find them new, I will link those as well. I'm not sure if they're still available, but I think they may be. So if you guys like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, consider subscribing, check out my links down below, and drop any questions you guys have in the comments, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.